Hey friends, let's make healthy dalia today in the breakfast. So this morning I wanted to have something very healthy for which I have done the arrangements and I'm now showing you what I have chopped in the veggies. So you can see potatoes and these are the frozen peas, carrots, capsicum, chilies, ginger, onions, cumin seeds, one dried or red chili, and now I'm going to show you, yes, peanuts. You can add peanuts, ginger garlic paste, and then I use hing asafoetida. When we put everything into the frying pan or you are using pressure cooker, then I just pinch of asafoetida does everything and the aroma is too good. And peanuts I already showed you. So for that you need to dry roast the dalia first of all and add oil, amount of oil that is you. I have added cumin seeds, dry roast chili, dry red chili, and then I added onions, peanuts, curry leaves, chilies, and giving a good mix to it. Then I immediately add all the veggies to it, and I just add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, not more than that. Actually it kills the aroma of the veggies, the natural aroma. And after that I'll be putting tomatoes. I just use 1 or 1.5 tomatoes to it. You can use it accordingly. Yes, I use this curry powder also, which gives a good flavor and aroma. Good give flavor. You can skip this if you want to make it like that. You can make it. I just use a pinch or half a spoon of curry powder and giving it a good mix. Now I'll just put the lid and let it cook properly. Once it's done, yeah, so now it's half cooked. Now I'm going to show you. You can see that how it's cooked. So I'm going to put the lid, and this is one very important technique that I use not to make the dalia or else upma or else your sabudana khichdi sticky. I just while putting this dry roasted dalia or anything, I just add half a lemon. I squeeze half a lemon into it, and then I add half a tablespoon or teaspoon of sugar, and then mix it properly. What it does is it does not make the thing to be very sticky on the plate. You must be knowing that when we put less oil, the things get stickier. So these things help. Actually these two things help not to make it sticky. And also after the thing is being cooked, you can add a half a tablespoon of ghee to it, and it will give a beautiful flavor to the item which you have made. But once the thing is done, then at the end you can put the ghee and put the lid back onto it, so that it will restore the flavor into it. This is my technique. You can skip the technique. Does not mean that you need to do whatever I do. It is just the process that I'm showing. Now this thing is properly done. I'm going to now add water. You can use water according to the quantity you can know. And then after pouring water into it, wait for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles are done, you can switch off the gas and just wait for the gas to go, and you can remove and have serve it hot.